Yoruba animals quiz.
Hello friends! Welcome to the Yoruba animals quiz. Can you guess all 10 animals in Yoruba? You have 5 seconds to answer each question. Are you ready? Let's start! Question 1. What is a dog called in Yoruba? A. Olongbo. B. Erin. C. Aja. The correct answer is C. Aja. Question 2. What is a cat called in Yoruba? A. Olongbo. B. Aja. C. Eku. The correct answer is A. Olongbo. Question 3. What is a bird called in Yoruba? A. Eye. B. Eja. C. Obo. The correct answer is A. Eye. Question 4. What is a fish called in Yoruba? A. Olongbo. B. Eja. C. Erin. The correct answer is B. Eja. Question 5. What is a monkey called in Yoruba? A. Ekun. B. Erin. C. Obo. The correct answer is C. Obo. Question 6. What is an elephant called in Yoruba? A. Kiniun. B. Erin. C. Olongbo. The correct answer is B. Erin. Question 7. What is a goat called in Yoruba? A. Ewure. B. Malu. C. Àgùntàn. The correct answer is A. Ewure. Question 8. What is a sheep called in Yoruba? A. Adìẹ. B. Àgùntàn. C. Ẹyẹ. The correct answer is B. Àgùntàn. Question 9. What is a chicken called in Yoruba? A. Obo. B. Eku. C. Adìẹ. The correct answer is C. Adìẹ. Question 10. What is a lion called in Yoruba? A. Ẹkùn. B. Kìnìún. C. Erin. The correct answer is B. Kìnìún. How many points did you get? If you got 0 to 4, you're a Yoruba beginner. If you got 5 to 8, you're a Yoruba explorer. If you got 9 to 10, you're a Yoruba champion. Well done, everyone! Join us for our next Yoruba quiz adventure. Make sure to like and subscribe. Ó dàbọ̀!